Alright, time for another review. Brand new shirt. My other one's 5 years old. It was coming apart because I have a brittle washer. This is from Camber, I believe. Bought on All American Clothing, out of Owasso, I believe. So, custom knife. They don't even make this one anymore. I mean, it's a buck knife, but as I probably mentioned before, you can't get this one anymore because they don't make this particular model. They make a scanner, but not one with a drop point like this. S30V. Open carefully. Just arrived like 2 minutes ago. See? All USA. Whoop. Let's bring it in close. Doesn't want to focus. But anyway, Polo shirt. Hopefully that collar is a little softer. Just feels about like the one that I'm replacing. It was made by All American Jean Company. Their pants are great. The Polo shirt though seemed to want to come apart after 5 years in the washer. Well, anyway, brand new work shirt. Polo shirt, navy blue. That concludes this review and unboxing.